Hello everybody, welcome to day 2 of Archie's Paints 12 Drinks of Christmas. I'll give you a little look at the first. Now that it's fully dry, it's a lovely silvery rose colour, and if I turn it towards the light you can see the beautiful flash of the silver iridescence. So that's gorgeous. So let's see what we've got for today. I did sort of half stick it back down just so that it couldn't escape whilst on my art desk. So let's get these out, see if we can spot number 2. Oh, there we go. First one we turn over. Let's just throw these back in before I wipe them off the table and lose them all. So one little second. And there we go. Right, so today we have super shiny purple, and on the back a big gold star. Gold star to all you guys out there watching this. So let's have a little peel. Right, here we go. Open sesame. So this one is called Espresso. So does anybody have any idea what colour it's going to be? I'm turning it over now. Ooh, it's like I would say deep antique gold colour looking at it. Looks like it's got some shimmer in it, so let's have a little see. We could have got our paintbrush out before we started, but as usual, that's not what I opted for, so let's just grab the paintbrush. Here we go. Make sure it's fully clean before we stick it into the gold paint. Alright, so let's give it a little wiggle. A little minute. So these do take a little minute to get going, but that's fine. You want to make sure you've got the colour and the what looks like mica. So let's have a see if that's enough. So it has turned quite the coffee colour, so let's have a see how it looks on the paper. Oh yes, that is nice. I'm really glad I've got this rigger brush, because the stem of this wine glass would be really difficult otherwise. Right, so it is a little bit of a coffee colour just there. It's not as gold as it seemed when we first looked at it. And it does, I can actually see the mica moving about in the bit that's not quite dry yet. So there is the colour. It's a lovely rich, let me think, burnt sienna gold kind of colour. And you can just see the gold flashing right there. So I'm going to let that dry and we will see on day 3 just how shiny that is, but it does seem to have quite a little bit more glitter within the paint, so that's very exciting. So just a little short one for you today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Great colours so far, very usable in my artwork as it goes. So let's have a see what we can create with this one. I hope you guys have a fabulous day. I hope you enjoyed this and find something that made you smile. And as always, be happy.